Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G has been officially launched in India and going by the nomenclature. It should be the successor to the Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G, however with the number of updates on offer. The 11 Pro Plus 5G finds itself competing against higher priced rivals such as the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G, Motorola S40, iQOO Neo 7 and the Poco F5 5G. The phone certainly packs some promising hardware on paper, including a new 200 megapixel primary camera, 100 watt fast charging and a capable performance unit. With all that is on offer, should you consider buying the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G? Here is our content about this phone to help you decide. So friends, let's go. Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G price in India. The Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G has been launched in two configurations. The base variant of the phone packs 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage and is priced at 27,999 rupees. The variant we have comes with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, which is priced at 29,999 rupees. Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G design and display. The Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G comes in three finishes: Astral Black, Oasis Green and Sunrise Beige. The green variant we have has fox leather on the back, which seems to be new trend now. We do not have any problem here as it feels very premium compared to regular plastic panels and also helps avoid fingerprints and smudges. The beige color also has a fox leather back. Both weight about 189 grams and thanks to the textured surface, offer good grip and in-hand feel. The back panel also has a stitch-like pattern running vertically through the center of the rear panel, which makes it look like the phone's wearing a fashionable leather jacket. If you want a more simple look, the black variant is always here, which is also a tad lighter at 183 grams. The plastic frame has a glossy finish and houses the power and volume buttons on the right, whereas the button edge houses the USB Type-C port, primary speaker grill and hybrid SIM slot. The 11 Pro Plus 5G uses 6.7-inch curved edge AMOLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The display offers a great multimedia experience with rich colors and ample brightness for outdoor conditions. There is an HDR10 Plus playback certifications which work with YouTube at the time of this content. Despite the curved edge of the display, we did not experience any issues with accidental touches. The Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G has an in-display fingerprint scanner which is fairly quick to authenticate and unlock the device. Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G specifications and features. The Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G features a MediaTek Dimensity 7050 SoC, which is a slightly tweaked version of the Dimensity 1080 SoC found in the 10 Pro Plus 5G. The 11 Pro Plus also packed a 5000 mAh battery with 100 watt fast charging support. The phone has a dual speaker setup, support for Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2 and GPS. In terms of software, the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G boots the Android 13 based Realme UI 4.0. The custom skin based on Oppo's ColorOS 13 offers many personalization and customization options. For starters, users can adjust the shape and size of icons, change the fonts, wallpapers and themes. You can sync the colors of the system icons with the wallpaper as well. There is also support for an always-on display which offers some personalization including adding a Bitmoji. The good news is that Realme has promised to provide two major Android updates and security supports for 3 years for the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G. Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G performance and battery life. The Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G is quite capable when it comes to handling routine text and casual gaming. The phone did not show any sign of lag or stutter, except for some jitter in the animations while playing videos in picture-in-picture mode. When it comes to gaming on the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G, BGMI runs at up to ultra frame rate with HDR graphics. You can also run it at a higher extreme frame rate with smooth graphics setting. We did enjoy playing BGMI on the 11 Pro Plus 5G as it did not lag or show any sign of stutter. The Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G offers an all-day battery life on a single charge. It averaged about 8 hours and 35 minutes of screen on time during the review period. The device also lasted for about 23 hours and 16 minutes in our HD video battery loop test, which is quite impressive. It looks about 40 minutes to charge in the phone completely in our experience using the proprietary charger, which is about 14 minutes more than the claimed charge time. Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G cameras. Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G has a triple camera setup on the back. It features a new 200 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL HP3 sensor with an f/1.69 aperture and claims to offer up to 4x lossless zoom. There is also an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera. The primary camera captures good details in daylight, but the colors are slightly on the saturated side. Dynamic range performance is also quite good. While it generally exposes the overall image well and offers good details in highlights and shadows, it tends to make a night sky look quite blue instead of grey, black, as it should be. The primary camera is inconsistent when it comes to human skin tones in photo and portrait modes. Many times we noticed the camera making the skin appear red in photos. Also, 2x portrait mode offered consistent background blur compared to 1x, which often blurred out parts of the subject's face. The camera app also has a new moon mode, which automatically kicks in if you have AI scene recognition enabled. It is more of an astronomically gimmicky feature if you ask me. Once you point the camera towards the moon and zoom in at 20x, the camera will capture an AI assist photo of the moon. In terms of video, the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G can shoot up to 4K 30fps videos using the rear camera. The front camera can shoot only 1080 pixel 30fps videos. Both do a good job of exposing the subject well. However, the rear camera offers a better dynamic range and colors. So friends, finally thanks to all for watching this content and stay with us for a long time.